Yes. So welcome back, guys. This is Vivek. So today's onwards, I'm going to start one session. I'm planning to short session, 35 5 minute session I will take. So these session mainly based on that Linux command. So today's we are taking some basic command. Okay. Uh, let's get started. So those people are new here to watching the video first time. So this is our channel like ITSP, or you can search in a Google. Just type Java by SVK. Now mainly my profile is the Java developer. So tell me something about myself. So my name is Vivek Kumar, and some people my name is Sita Vivek Kumar. Okay, so now I have 4 plus of experience in the IT industry and OpenShift. I am working Kubernetes. I have worked Java, Quarkus, Docker, and as well as AWS. So I have a short time. That's why some session I have missed here, okay, here and there. That's why. So some when I get a time, then I will upload some videos. Okay. So this is my fundamental purpose, or not more than that. So please do support and as well as share these videos with your friends. Those are people who wants to learn something. First of all, I'm saying a sorry to you on all of you, my YouTube family members. Okay, why? Because I'm not continuously uploading the video on a YouTube because some company work is there and my right now I'm at home. Okay, so that's why uh, some work is there. So I didn't get a time to make a video and upload on YouTube. Okay, so today I'm starting on journey related to this is my commitment, not a journey. Okay, this is my commitment. I will upload all the videos related to Linux basic command and advanced script, shell scripting. Also, I will start and totally based on nothing is here. Like these notes, I will share in the my where I can say I will provide one link to you. You can go and download the notes. Okay. Otherwise, you can just written down that which I will explain here. So there. Okay. Here is basic purpose. Okay. I'm going to use AWS. Okay, I'm going to use AWS. AWS for the Linux practice using T2 micro. T2 micro. This is the sufficient machine, so we can use that. Okay. You should have one Amazon AWS account, and there you can launch one EC2 using T2 micro. Okay, T2 micro instance, T2 micro, and that's it. And if you those people are new, okay, watching my videos first time in the AWS series, in the AWS here, how to create event bridge, not somewhere. Yeah, I think here in this video, in the video, I have told you how to launch an instance. I think so. Yeah, I think yeah, yeah. This is the script, but don't watch this script. Okay, just how to launch instance. Correct. So you can pause this video and I will share this link on a video description. So there you can follow the video link. Okay, so now next today's agenda is our basic Linux command. Okay, which operating system I am going to use? I will tell you. So I'm going to use first is AWS T2 Micro. ठीक है? And next is I'm going to use Red Hat OS, right? So I have connected with my VM. Yeah, yeah. This is my Red Hat issue tool, right? Here you can see. Who am I? Okay, right now I'm in the issue two, so don't bother about it. Okay, so I will tell you how to do all this thing. Here you can see the registration, this system with the red hat inside RC red hat connection, right? So now let's start our basic commands. So mm, first of all, first of all, just we need to understand what is the command, right? So here I have told you it's a binary file kept under the specific directory. What is that? It's a what is that? Some palta. It's a binary. It's a some executable thing. It's a binary. It's a binary file kept under the specific directory. ठीक है बाइनरी है देखो मैं बाइनरी बताता हूँ वो स्पेसिफिक फाइल के अंदर लाइक हियर which I am right now. Okay, version help skip of which like we have one date, right? One date. Give me some time, guys. Okay. Oh, guys, welcome back. Sorry, sorry, sorry. This is the home. Okay, so now let's start our topic. This discussion is based on Linux command, which I have shown you. Okay, I will show you one thing. Here is the Linux. Okay, date is that. What is that? Date is predefined script. You can say. Okay, this is that. Okay, here means binary file kept in the specific directory. Date is the binary. Suppose date is the binary file and kept in some directory. So here, just which date. Let's see. Where date is kept at? In the USR slash bin slash date. So this is the meaning of command. Okay. Now got this point? What is the command? So now let's understand our next thing. Okay. So now, so first we cover filed and type of commands. So some type of commands like file and file system management के लिए कौन सी commands हैं? Which command we use for the file and file management? Second is the process management. ठीक है, process management. थर्ड पॉइंट है टेक्स्ट प्रोसेसिंग के लिए कौन सी है कमांड्स. ओके. प्राइस प्रिंटिंग के लिए कौन सी है, ठीक है. एलपी कम्युनिकेशन के लिए कौन सी कमांड्स हैं. ये बेसिक बेसिक कमांड्स हैं जो कि हम देखेंगे. सर्च के लिए कौन सी है, ठीक है. सर्च के लिए miscellaneous सब commands. Okay, these commands we are going to discuss. So first we are going to discuss what is that. Okay, so first we are going to discuss file system commands, and behalf of today's we will cover how much we can. Let's see. Okay. Now cat command, cd command, chmod, chn, chown, chown, chgrp, chgrp, cp, du, def, file, fsck, ls, lsof, make directory, mount, mb, pwd, rm directory, split or touch. So now these commands we are going to discuss. Let's see. So first command is cat. So now come down. cd. First is cd. cd means change to another directory location. Change to another directory location. First is cd. Suppose now we are in that directory, pwd print working directory. We have in the USR. Just I need to ls. Let's see, is there any? Yeah, I have one directory called the Linux script. So I want to go inside the Linux. So we have of this. I need to yum install one binary directory. Let's see. Subscription repository not updated. This cannot be run. Supervision privileges. Sudo yum install tree. Let's see. Yes, boy. Okay. So now tree is installed. Let's see. Just hit enter tree. So now here you can see one script is there. What is the script? Linux. Inside the Linux one basic.sh script file is there. So now I want to move that. So for the moving purpose, we use called command like cd. cd means change directory. Change directory. Change directory means Linux. Just put the Linux L tab. That's it here. Now we are inside the Linux command. Now here you can see the Linux. So now this is clear, guys. Now next command is ls. List the directory content. List the directory content. ls. We have the inside the directory. Inside the directory we have one file. Now one file I need to create. bi mhm, bi text dot okay, test dot txt. Okay, so vi created and Don't worry about this command. I, this is VB. Okay, escape colon WQ7. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, now colon WQ. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, wait. Close this. Okay. So now let's shift insert. Just I want to insert it. Inserted, na? Hit enter, hit enter. Okay. Escape this. Colon WQ. Now the writing mode is opening. Okay. Let's do something. Q like with this. Okay. Some mode is going on. But because this is the T2 micro, that's why machine got stuck. See. So I need to connect one more time. That's why. Okay. Let's see. Let us see, guys. Home page start again. Hmm. Sudo su ls in the root directory we have Linux and the first command cd inside the cd Linux with the ls. Now this is the change directory we complete list with the lscp. Copy a file or directory to another location. ठीक है, I want to create just dot dot. Don't worry about to create mk mkdir means create a directory. We make one directory. I want to create it. Okay. ls. Now here first directory we have the script and second is Vivek. So go inside the CD Vivek one minute. I want to copy the script basic file inside the Vivek one folder. So CP source. Source is what is that? First we need to put on this destination, that is source, and on the home directory slash Linux script slash basic dot sh. No such way. Okay, okay. So now I am in the current directory, now, so no need to pass the PV. Dot current directory. I think some Linux. Okay, just hit enter tree. Let's see. Find the tree, no file, and cd. That's out. Okay, still cd Linux cp copy file basic script and I tilde home directory Vivek. Vivek. Okay, this, let's see. Now let's cd dot dot. Now tree. Cd tree. Now here you can see the tree is not coming here, not come here. Why? We waited. CD. Okay. CD. We wait. Ls. Is there? No. CD dot dot. Why? It's not called CP basic dot sh slash Vivek. VE. Okay. One. Okay. Put, put some pointer thing on. CD Linux inside the source ls source file is there. CP copy command source file is basic. I want to copy this file into this directory slash vp. Vivek one. No, not cd dot dot three execute. Just be copy one directory here. Vivek one directory is copied here. But I want to copy this into the source and destination like that. Let's see. CP destination we put it. We wait one. Just go inside the CD, change the Linux directory, and CP. This is the all these things are learning purpose. CP. What is that command? That the Linux. I need to put Vivek one. Okay. For the Vivek one. Till science last Vivek one. Okay. And basic. What is that? Override three, three. Now we will use version installer. Now cd dot dot. Now let's see three is executed. Okay, now that it's copy, same thing is happening. Let's see. If you want to check, now we can check here as well. Okay, so now cp command, right? And Linux, any command, any URL you can use, no? CP. Let's see. CP to make a copy of a file, the current directory, like this, you make it a current directory, backup kind of things can perform. If you want to copy a file in your current directory into another directory, like that, like same thing, I'm trying to do in the current directory, cd linux. Yes. Go and I want to cp, mm, just put a file name, basic. Okay. Slash home slash Okay, one Vivek, one directory is there. Let's see, happen. CD dot dot. Let me try this tree. Not copy. Q. Why? Not. Let's some dot. Let's fail. Access home, not a directory. Why it's not a directory? Why? It's a directory, guys. Okay, CD Linux CP basic command and then slash wait one like this. We don't know. Let's see. Not only CP CD Linux CP basic dot sh slash root slash Vivek. Yes, cd dot tree. No, not a performing copy. But same thing we are trying to do. Copy a new file in the business modified data, the access control list within the source. Source file and destination. Little bit print work directory, na? PW, PWD. I'm not putting proper print working directory, na? Sudo, yes, here, unless sudo hyphen I, unless oh, okay, wait, maybe wait. Let me sudo hyphen I and G. No, so ls log out ls cd linux फैक्ट्री के अंदर गया ठीक है सोर्स फाइल के अंदर pwd print working directory home linux automation cd dot cd v1 pwd this cd cd linux cp basic command save to the system. Okay, and okay, and cd cd Vivek ls now tree cd three. Now, these are the learning phase, no, guys? Now, here you can understand. Now, just if you don't know the path of proper path, then you just, right now we are inside the EC2 user. Okay, and we wait folder. Previously, I'm not mentioning a proper path of that destination. That's why getting a issue. Guys, got it? So this type of work you can also perform and getting some more and more knowledge about that topic. So now next is next command. Now let's jump into the next command is print working directory. Print the current working directory. We have used this command to print where here Linux. PWD. We get it this CD print working directory now. By using this command, we just print the current working directory so we can find the path. That's right. Now, info, the GNU alternative to Mac. Info. Let's see, info. Sudo info. Let's see. The GNU alternative to main. Okay. Okay. Wait. Why is it the utilities? Man, the standard Unix documentation system. Let's see that info command, cmd info linux command. So by using this here, you can see that your name, CPU, host name, LBSNS, display the system information, the phone, the unit, what kind of thing if you use it. Now let's see. You name like you name Ian by the yeah, username. If you want, you can see you name like that. Linux is the one. Okay. Okay. This is not correct. LSSW. So command we have info. Let me the gigs for gigs option and menu items. Now here you can use that option, modify the behavior of the command. Menu item is the particular section or the no documentation to visit. Got it. So now some info like CSV. I want some information about my file. So info hyphen A means all that wants CSV means files. दो files होती हैं CSV. Correct. Right. CVS. Info hyphen A CVS. Not getting that. Okay. Not a big deal, guys. File name matching has been like that. Okay. String matching K. Okay. Info hyphen K CVS. Not a wash. Okay, it's fine to me. Oh, info hyphen H means help. Okay, I think sudo info hyphen H. Info command not found it. Man, man info. History duplicated. Help. Some duplication maybe is there. Okay. Thank you. Good. Skip the like information man, the standard Unix documentary system make directory. We have seen the make directory. And move or rename a file of direct file or directory. Move mean if you want to ls in the Linux, we just create one more directory. What is that? Make mkdir vivek 2. Okay, now just cd vivek 2. Okay, and pwd print working directory. I need a directory. Okay, and cd and move mb. ठीक है, mb. Now I am in the current directory. So pause the source. Source is just inside this one. Inside the source, we make the source the Linux and now correct. Now let's see ls. Now we get that directory here. Tree. Let's hit into tree. We move the directory. Now tree. Now here by Linux, all this thing. Now cd dot dot. Now here tree is not available. Okay. Now tree is not there. Now tree inside the vivec2 folder is available. All the data we move. So this is the move. And if you want to rename that, also this is useful command. You can use that to rename. So now I want to rename the directory. Right now we are in the cd vivec one. Uh, cd cd vivec one. Okay, ls pwd pwd print working directory. Now I want to change the name vivec 3. So mb 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 pass that insert. Just need to change. Yeah. Insert this. Suppose विवेक वन to change करूंगा मैं करंट में डॉट विवेक 3. Let's see. The home, the sub directory is itself Vivek 3. Okay, Vivek 3. अच्छा इसको लगाना ना, तो मैं मूव करूंगा cd डॉट डॉट 3 mb move 15 insert. This one is it to Okay, so now I want to change rename Vivek to this one too. Same directory. I need to delete it instead. Okay, Vivek good, 5. Okay, now it enter. Just no. Now execute the command. Let's see what happened. Rename is happen now. Rename is happen. So now previous is Vivek 1. Right now is Vivek 5. So this is happen. So now it's up to this is clear, guys. So now I hope change the rm directory, delete any empty directory. Suppose I have one create one empty directory. Now first I need to rm remove directory. Which directory I need to delete? Vivek. Okay. So now Vivek 5. I need to delete. But it won't delete. It won't delete. Why? Because some content is there, not empty. Here you can see the clear message. First you can delete the content, then you can delete the directory. So we need one create one directory. So mkdir. We need to create one directory mkdir Vivek 4, right? So now ls, we have one directory called or like ls-l. We have one directory. Okay. What is that? Vivek 4 we created right now, right? If you want to see is there any content there, not there. Inside the Vivek 4 directory content is not there. Then you can try to delete. So rmdir Vivek 4. Okay, pretty easily you can try to delete. Now just see that execute tree command. Now the Vivek 4 is removed. Now if you want to remove the content if you inside the directory content is there, then you can use one rm dir hyphen rf remove forcefully and Vivek like that. Vivek 5. Now let's see the rm directory. No, not a directory. Rm, I think. Rm. Let's see. Execute tree. Let's see exact. Now here. Now 5 is removed. Then RF by using RF. Remove forcefully. Now I am removing the content forcefully. So that use hyphen RF command. What it? So now next point our touch command. That is complete. Next is touch command. Create a new file or update its modification time. It's a modification time. Touch command. Touch means TOCD. Vivek 2/Linux ls. We have one the touch touch was ls cat bash. So the content is there inside the file. Okay. Delete file or tree. Delete a file or directory tree. Rm means remove. While, which means location a command. By using which command, we can see the location. Which, which, like we are using frequently command called let's see, rm, where is available. RM. It will show the location of the rm. Alias rm hyphen I is there inside the bin of rm is there, right? So this is all about these commands. You can practice more commands. I will share. chgroup, chown, chmod. These commands are remaining. I will discuss in the next session.